There will always be the requirement to work with drawings, especially new drawings in your AutoCAD electrical projects. So let's have a look now at working with drawings and creating a new drawing and then adding it to our Demo 09 project here in the Project Manager. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go up to the Quick Access toolbar and we click on New, and that will bring up our Select Template dialog box. Now I'm going to select AutoCAD Electrical.dwt, not AutoCAD Electrical IEC. That is using the European metric standards. And for the purposes of this course, I'm going to be using the JIC American standards, which are measured in imperial units. So you use this one here, ACAD Electrical.dwt. I click on Open, and that will create a whole new drawing. And what I'm going to do now is double click on the wheel on the mouse, centralize it, just switch off the grid and the snap, and I've done a zoom extents on the mouse as well. So that's all done. Now what I need to do is save that drawing to the AutoCAD Electrical Project folder. So you'll remember we put Save As on the Quick Access toolbar in previous videos. It's this one here with the little pencil on it. Click on Save As. Now the good thing is, because my current project is Demo 09, AutoCAD knows to go to that project folder, Demo 09, and I can now save my new drawing there. I'll click on Demo 12. I'm just going to lose the 12 and change that number because I don't want to overwrite that file. And I'm going to put in Demo 20. Just go to the nearest 10 just to make sure I don't overwrite any other drawings. And I click on Save. So that drawing now is Demo 20. If I click on Save, then it will just have the file name at the top of the screen in the title bar there. Now, this drawing is saved in the AutoCAD Electrical Project folder, but it hasn't actually been added to the project yet. So I go over to the Project Manager now. Again, right-click over Demo 09 on the project name, and you'll see there on the shortcut menu, Add Drawing. So I click there, and as soon as I do that, again, it goes to the Demo 09 folder, because that's the current project. It's very, very handy that when you're trying to find your project. No searching for it. Now I want to add Demo 20 to the project. So I click on Add once I've selected it. First thing it prompts me is, do I want to apply the project default values to the drawing settings? Well, I do, but why am I doing that? Well, do you remember when we looked at setting up a new project and setting up all the project settings, things like the styles and so on? Well, what you can do is you can apply those project default values to all of the drawings that you bring into any project. Now, if you want to individually change those, you go into the drawing properties. But the good thing is your project defaults can be applied to all the drawings, and then you can individually change the drawings later if you need to. So I'm going to click on Yes. Takes a few seconds to update the project, and you can see there's Demo 20 in the drawing list in the Project Manager. Now, if I click and drag on that drawing, just bring it up here a little bit, can you see it's underneath Demo 12? I release the mouse, and that makes sure it's in the schematic folder where I want it to be. It's also highlighted in bold because it is the current drawing I've got open in the drawing area. So that's how you work with your drawings in AutoCAD Electrical.